Hey there! Welcome back to the ID Automation channel. Today, we'll be exploring how to create GS1 Digital Link QR codes in Visual Studio. We start by opening Visual Studio and creating a new project. I search for Crystal Reports, which you may not see if you have not downloaded this solution from SAP's official site. I'll select a Crystal Reports C# application to open the solution from ID Automation. Give the project a name. Native Gen Crystal Reports QR Code will do. I've selected Framework version 4.8.1 and will create the project. We'll be using ID Automation's native generator for QR codes in Crystal Reports. When prompted, select Existing Report and locate the Crystal Reports file from your download. Within a folder I've created, I place the downloaded unzipped folder ID Automation QR Code Crystal Native Barcode Generator. Now select the ID Automation native GS1 QR code with HRI.report. As always, we'll want to run the report once to ensure there's no hiccups. Oops, we've got an exception here. Basically, it says we need to edit the project's build configurations to target the 32-bit or x64. Navigate to the project's properties and locate the Build tab. Change the target platform to x64, and we can run the project again. No issues this time. Open the report, and you see the pre-generated QR code and matching human-readable text underneath. To edit what's encoded in the QR code, we just right-click the object and select Edit Formula. Then we'll scroll down to the Data to Encode section and add in our digital link. Just save and close before running the report. When we run the report, we see that the QR code looks a little stacked and funky, and we need to add in the correct human-readable text below. Let's go back and expand the QR code object and add in the human-readable GS1 Digital Link. You can also add underneath a call to action or scan for more information. It's a great way to get your QR codes noticed. Now expand the QR code object, and we can run the report again to verify the QR code appears as expected. Fabulous! We have our GS1 Digital Link in our report. Want to see more examples of using Crystal Reports with the native generator? Leave a comment below. As always, we are your source for quality symbology. Don't forget to like, follow, and let us know what you're barcoding with.